I gave you my heart.
Yeah, 9:30 in the morning, we're stuck at a checkpoint. Morning, Kuya. Salamat. All right, so we made it through the checkpoint. Just a choke point. Gonna drive through town, see what's going on. Still got a lot of choices on stores to go to. ATM is bustling. They got a lot of folks in the line for the ATMs. Some of the hardware stores are opening up. A lot of folks at the hardware store, folks getting their tires changed or checked. Got some automobile places looking at some cars. One guy selling a door, wooden door on the side of the street there in his shop. But yeah, there's definitely a lot more traffic than before. My list is pretty short today, so I should be able to just jump in, jump out. I spent a lot of time in the grocery today. We're not doing any fresh meats because it's been going bad on us unless we eat it as soon as we get home. But with the drive-through. Going through the drive-thru, it's been going bad on us, so we're kind of anti-fresh meat right now. Our propane gas guy's open. We ordered one the other day. They brought it and dropped it off at the house for the gas grill, or the stove rather. I got a single electric plate as a backup in case we run out of gas and you can't get the guy to bring it or can't find it. I can still boil some water and cook some food on a burner with the electric. A couple of car washes are washing cars. This car about to hit me in the cutting across the traffic. A lot of people out. Robinson Supermarket. The line's short. The money line for the pawn shop is long. 7-Eleven's open. Got another Jollibee opened up at the inside the mall there. That's not good. Hopefully it's cleared out by the time we come back through here. Well, even the motorcycle place is open. I thought I saw one of the car places open, but that motorcycle shop is open, selling motorcycles. Wash her down, rinse it back off with the water. It's free water, so it makes sense to just keep your car from having any bird poo or a lot of mud or dust. Sometimes when they, fire, big fire, you'll get a ashes land on top of your car. But takes about, 4 minutes it looks like. And then place your bucket and let it catch the water again for the next day. Almost left my keys out here, goofing around with the video. But yeah, try to protect the old bike. Got it wrapped down. Cats were getting up in here and scratching up my gas tank on the Kawasaki, so I put a piece of this here underneath. Put a piece of this over the tank and the seat underneath the cover. Hopefully it'll keep them from scratching it up. These e-bikes are really nice, but if you let water get into here or into the battery compartment, it basically starts beeping the security alarm. So you want to make sure that you cover up your, or have means to cover up your points of entry, so the water don't get in there and short out your and cause. I mean, it's a pain in the butt, man. It happened to me once, sitting there raining. All of a sudden, again, the e-car, the small one, transformer, just started beep, 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 and I could not. It wouldn't turn off the alarm. You turn on the key, it just did not want to stop, so it just kept on going. So, but got the e-bikes for about $1,000, I think it was. But they're worth it though, because charge them up and go back and forth to the store, the grocery out in town. Good job. Like I said, I got my Kawasaki for about 300,000 pesos. But again, it's each his own. But I like it. It's doing me good. In the car, like I said, I got it for 215,000 pesos. Registration wasn't too bad. There's a lot of paperwork you need to turn over the ownership of the vehicles, which I'm gonna have to do after this ECQ stuff is over. But currently I just extended my registration on a bike from the previous owner. I've been running a year now with whoever owned the car before. They renewed it for a year when they sold it to us. So once again, ECQ comes out, I'll do a little video on everything that I know I was supposed to go get, and tell you about the experience of changing ownerships of your vehicles. And I got both my Filipina license, and I got a probation and ARC card, A13. I got a motorcycle and car endorsement on the Philippine license. So questions, just send them to me. Thanks.